Hello everyone, so if you want to know how to use your built-in compass on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first of all, open up your system application folder, or if maybe not there, it may be somewhere on the screen. Just look for this application, compass. Tap on it, and usually you might be prompted to calibrate the compass. This important step for accurate functionality, just follow simple on-screen instructions, usually by moving your phone in 8-figure motion. However, I don't know why, but on this model I haven't been prompted to calibrate it, so you may know that sometimes this happens. But however, now simply grab your compass, and as you see, a pointer is indicating north, so despite how we turn in our phone, it will be always indicating north. And basically that's it. Now you know the direction which you're reaching. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.